Kitchenaid video I have on YouTube. I've had up several years now. Kind of a descriptive video of the differences between the Kitchenaid bowl lift style mixers. But this, I wanted to do a review, kind of an unboxing of this machine. I came across a General Electric branded stand mixer, and it's a Planetary stand mixer just like our KitchenAids on Amazon. It's running $2.99. This was bought, I was not sponsored, this was bought with my own money, out of my own interest for kitchen stuff, mainly mixers being one of them. But I wanted to share this machine with you because I found it to be very interesting. In the pictures and description, it looks like it's very well made. It is a Planetary style mixer. It comes in silver and kind of a metallic blue color. I bought the silver one. And the box indicates it being G8M. I don't know if that's the model number or not. And it weighs 21.72 pounds. But this is promising, it says it's going to be an all-metal mixer, and it looks really nice. So it's promising to be a pretty cool product. So I wanted to share this with you guys, and we'll see what's in here. So, this is the first time I've opened this box, and it actually opened pretty well. It looks like there's two boxes in here. So we've got an outer box, and ooh, hey, look at that. Inside the outer box is a much prettier box. There we go. So, pretty good looking box. Right here on the front, it indicates America's #1 major appliance brand. We've got powerful 350 watt motor, so it advertises a 350 watt motor. It's probably an AC motor. Large 5.3 quart capacity. That is 0.3 quarts or 3/10 of a quart larger than your typical KitchenAid Artisan, which is probably not going to be noticed by most people. It also advertises easy lift tilt head with auto lock. That's kind of an interesting mechanism. We're going to look into that. 7 optimized speeds for essential mixing. So your typical KitchenAid has 10 speeds. This General Electric has 7. So we got a nice pretty box. There she is. Advertises coming with a whisk, a beater, a flat beater, and a dough hook. So I'm going to go ahead and open this. Okay. First thing we see when we open the box, right here on top, that is your flat beater. And it feels small and thin compared to a KitchenAid beater, but it's got that dishwasher safe coating on it. It's very well made. It's decent. We also have a nice looking instruction manual with some illustrations in it, halfway decent, and a warranty card, which most people do that online nowadays anyway. So, farther on in. Oh, here's another thing. In the top little styrofoam container, you have your dough hook. And this is, I wouldn't say it's similar to a KitchenAid dough hook, but it's well made. It's somewhat heavy, and it is too dishwasher safe. So, now we have the actual mixer. Well, actually, no, I lied. Next thing we have is a pouring shield. And for those of you who have messed with the Breville stand mixer, this is very similar to their pouring shield. It's very nice quality plastic. It's clear. There we go. And I think the next thing in here, pull that off the cord there, is the actual machine. Here it is. There we go. Nothing else in the box except for a piece of styrofoam on the bottom. Alright, so here is our General Electric stand mixer. she is. Metal. It's definitely metal. Let's get rid of some of this plastic material. It is lighter than a KitchenAid, but it still has a nice heavy feel to it. So on this side, you've got this latch here. Pull that towards you, and look at that. When you lift the head, it latches. It automatically locks back into place. So now with the head up, let's take off the bowl here and get rid of this piece of styrofoam. Inside the bowl, we have the whisk, or I like to call this the whipping, or whip attachment for meringues and whipping egg whites, things like that. And it is an okay quality. You have metal whisk. It is dishwasher safe. You've got stainless steel whisk, but a plastic base. It's okay. KitchenAid definitely makes a nicer one, but this is all right. I'm okay with that. So we've got a whisk, flat beater, dough hook, pouring shield, which I never really like using these things, but you got it. And there is your stainless steel bowl. 5.3 quarts. It does have a handle. It doesn't have quite the polish and feel of a KitchenAid Artisan, but it's smooth. It's smooth enough. It feels nice. Your base down here looks like a brushed stainless steel material. All of this is metal. Your Planetary, unlike some of the newer KitchenAids, it actually has the spring on it, which I really like. And one other positive thing that made me interested in this machine is this is a KitchenAid hub. You can use all of your KitchenAid branded attachments on this hub of this mixer. And I thought it was kind of cool. On the actual hub cover is General Electric. It is metal. It's pretty well made. I don't have any complaints about it. But the front attachment hub works just like a KitchenAid. On the business side of the mixer over here, you've got your 0 through 7 speed control dial. And it feels, it's plastic. It feels okay. So far, my whole opinion on this is it's got good weight to it. It is a metal frame. This is kind of a shiny stainless steel looking metal up under here, your actual Planetary. My overall opinion so far is it's nice. It's definitely better quality than I'd say some of these like Amazon Chinese branded machines that you see for like $100. One of the things I'm most interested in is how does this thing actually sound? What's the motor like? So we're going to plug it in here real quick and take a listen. Alrighty. We're on 0, we'll go to 1. That's smooth, that's quiet. It doesn't sound unpleasant. 2. It definitely sounds like there's metal parts in there. And I can hear what sounds like brand new grease from the factory getting distributed as it's turning. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It has an interesting sound to it. It's definitely quiet, it's smooth. There are many mixers that definitely sound less pleasant than this. It does have a little silver trim band right around the back here that says designed in Louisville, Kentucky, USA, max watts 350. overall, I'm impressed. For the price that you pay, it seems to be pretty nice. And I like this latching mechanism. I haven't seen one quite like this. The Breville stand mixer is the most similar that I've seen, but it had a button on the top back here. What you do, when you put the head up, it is automatically locked. I can't push it down. You have to push this back, and you hear that? When you actually push it down, it locks into place. So unlike the KitchenAid where you have to manually move this, you see how it's spring-loaded? It goes right back to the locking position. So unlock, head springs up, and it locks in the upright position. I think that's pretty cool. So here's your flat beater, and they load on just like your standard KitchenAid tools. And there you go. There's your stir speed. Definitely sounds like it's got metal parts. I hear a very sturdy transmission, so to speak, in there. So impressive. I'm okay with that. That sounds okay to me. As far as the bowl, very similar to your KitchenAid Artisan. It's going to sit on and then lock by kind of turning clockwise a little bit. And it looks like your beater comes pretty darn close to the bottom, so you're going to get a thorough mixing. I like how it locks like that. That's kind of cool. It's sturdy. It doesn't seem to shake around even on the high speed. No movement. Overall, for the price point that you pay, I think this is a pretty neat tool. And if you're considering a stand mixer like a KitchenAid Artisan or something like that, unless you go refurbished, this is more affordable. On the bottom, just for the heck of it, we'll take a look here. It's all plastic on the bottom. It's a plastic cover, most likely where the electronics are in this machine. And power cord goes into the bottom. It says, let's see, this is model number G8M AAS1R1SH for the record. So, you got a General Electric symbol here, General Electric symbol on the front, auto latching tilt head, which I think that's pretty cool. You don't see that in a lot of these. And easy to add and remove tools. Not to mention, you have the ability to use any of KitchenAid's hub type accessories. It is the same hub as a KitchenAid. Sounds like after some use it would probably start to sound a little smoother, because I can hear fresh grease being situated around as this thing's moving. Like I said, it's never been plugged in, just opened right here. So, but I'm impressed. This is your KitchenAid stand mixer, available on Amazon. I think it's a pretty neat product. I'm happy with the way it's made for the price that you pay. It also comes in a metallic blue color, and I chose the silver. Alrighty, thanks for watching.